My name is Mishelle Yam. I am a community and place manager in the public sector. I studied Masters in Architecture at University of Western Australia and Masters in Business Administration at the UNSW. So my role includes develop, manage and deliver social infrastructure projects for the local community. I look at utilising underutilised assets and turning them into valuable resources for the community. So what inspired me to pursue this career came from my father, who was a site structural engineer. So I was exposed to construction sites at a very young age, but also we lived in multiple cities. So I was exposed to different cultures in cities, and that inspired me to want to contribute to the urban fabric. I think the most rewarding part is that it's being used by people in a contributive way to society. So some of the typical qualities that are associated with my role are organizational skills, attention to detail, and the ability to see the big picture. The last one is probably the most important one because the bigger picture is bigger than the building itself. So not only just looking at the physical output, but also what else needs to be contributed to make the success of the project. I feel like I've been very lucky in the current era that women are very highly regarded in the industry. Especially being a returning working parent, it feels good to know that it doesn't have to be one or the other and you can actually have it all. Being a woman in the construction and property industry is not a concern because you are bringing a point of difference and a different way of thinking. As a result, you get things that are much more well considered and you would get a much better outcome. What I would say to my younger self is that to look at your career in a more wider scope. Your career is not set in stone. There are other life-changing priorities that will take over, and just to have fun in the process. It makes you feel proud to be a part of something that is much bigger than yourself. I feel really grateful to be able to be a part of something that helps fundamentally shape our society.